Mrs. Indiongco and Mrs. Atiana. Let us now listen to the valedictory address of Nino III M. Sumugal.
To our founder, Dr. Precioso S. Soliven, our president, Mrs. Sara Soliven de Guzman, our campus manager, Mrs. Leonida V. Indiongco, on our guests, teachers, staff, parents, and fellow graduates, good afternoon. This curious boy received a spark when I entered OB Montessori Center, Casa level. I explored the Pink Tower. Every moment in our classroom gave an added spark to my learning. In primary, the Board of Powers helped me master math. I learned of so many animals through the invertebrate chart. In intermediate, I learned about the cosmic organization and the Great River Chart. I basked in the light of numbers and formulas in algebra and geometry. My starry adventures in OBMC continued with formal dining, where social etiquette and formal dressing made me the perfect gentleman. There were activities such as the bar dance, intramurals, and joint campout that sparked our learning. As a Save the Year Club member, I experienced our tree planting activity, which stirred in all of us the desire to be a protector of the environment. My unexpected, memorable experience was winning third place in the Poetry and Public Speaking Festival in my first time to join. My family was so excited, especially my grandma, who watched my performance on board an airplane. During the pandemic years, we had to stay home and have our online classes. We learned to be independent and responsible there. And that attitude of self-discipline prepared us for our return to classes on site. We are ready now to explore a new galaxy called high school. How do we continue to thrive and more than survive? First, concentration. Second, love for work. And third, joy. Dr. Maria Montessori once wrote, "The first essential for the child's development is concentration. The child who concentrates is immensely happy." I have learned the truth of this statement. For us graduating today, our deepened concentration will help us navigate the challenges ahead. Our love for work will drive us to excel, and our joy will fuel our exploration of the road ahead. To OB Montessori, my heartfelt gratitude for opening the doors to worlds of discovery and learning. To Dr. Soliven and Mrs. de Guzman, thank you very much for shining that bright light on us. Thank you, Mrs. Indiongco, for your guidance. To our teachers, especially to our class advisor, Mrs. Cadlas, thank you for nurturing and inspiring us. To to batch 2023 to 2024, especially to my cool 6 Mercury classmates and friends. Thank you for your companionship, understanding, and friendship, all of which form cherished memories. To my dear Dad and Mom, you are my sun and my stars. Thank you for your infinite love and support. To the Almighty, thank you for blessing us with knowledge, wisdom, and favor. Help us share our life and be sparks of love, hope, joy, and peace to others. Congratulations, fellow graduates! Thank you.
The Montessori candle lighting ceremony is a yearly tradition for the graduating students of the grade school department. This solemn rite represents the virtues that every Montessorian must have: faith, love for life, humility, loyalty, strength, courage, perfection, purity, and honesty. The candles represent the light of Christ, who is the source of all virtues. The child is the vessel and the bearer of this flame of light. This precious flame must remain steadfast and continually burning bright within the spirit